Here we have a 1963 Ford Thunderbird. Very nice looking car, straight car. Take a look down the side of it. This is the original color of Acapulco blue. Should be an E color code on the data tag. Blue vinyl interior. So this car still retains the original look like it would have came from Ford back in 1963. You'll also find a 390 underneath the hood, which is what this car would have came with. Cruise-O-Matic, automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes. So pretty stock looking until you get around to the side. Take a look at the US Mags wheels it's riding on. Give it a little bit of a hot rod look. These are one of those cars that look good with side skirts on or with the side skirts off. Right now in the pictures and video, I do have them on. We usually put them in the trunk to ship them. So if you'd like to inquire about shipping or inquire about this car, feel free to give us a call, 507-386-1726. You can also check out the underside pics, engine bay pics, any of the pictures of this car at uniqueclassiccars.com. See how nice the door fits. Very nice body lines in this car. Did notice on the other side, one of the wheel well, there's just a tad of little bubble, and on the rear bumper I'll show you a little bit of pitting. But other than that, didn't notice much on this one. I was taking the pictures and going around it. I'd consider this a very nice driver quality car. Interior appears to be pretty much all stock from what I can see. A little bit of wear, if you will, maybe a little bit up at the top of the seats. That's just getting awful fussy though. It's not bad at all, as you can see. Bucket seats, shifter on the column. Again, check out those still pictures. See the undersides, any parts of the car you want. uniqueclassiccars.com, or if there's something you want to know about specifically, feel free to give us a call. 507-386-1726. Here's a little bit of that surface rust and pitting, if we can get that to show up. Kind of see it at the very top of the bumper there. Oh, and one little dinger right over here by the rear taillight, which I'm guessing you could replace that bezel on there easy enough. But this does flip down. See the pictures of the trunk, interior, all of those. Again, uniqueclassiccars.com. We'll go ahead and fire this up. Here was that one little spot to it. Again, I'm getting pretty fussy, but I want to kind of point these things out to you. Other than that, didn't really notice a whole lot. Maybe one little spot at the bottom of that door. But again, that's real tiny. Being pretty fussy on it. Again, very nice driver quality car. Runs good. Paint is overall very, very nice shape. Check out the door cards. Interior. Let's go ahead and start this up. Wipers do work. Did try those a little bit ago. Radio light comes on and seems to power up, but I'm in a spot where I don't really get much reception as far as AM goes. There's the wipers working. Like I said, the radio did light up and seemed to power up. Get static, but again, I'm not in a very good spot for AM reception. Fuel gauge appears to work. I'm going to go ahead and pause the video a second. We'll pop that hood so you check out how nice and tidy the engine bay looks. Slip around to the back here first for you. So here a little rumble out of that 390. Nothing crazy. You'd expect to hear out of a stock 63 Thunderbird. Now let me pop that hood a second and check out this engine bay. Alright, there we go. Hood pops, you can see the engine bay. Hear how smooth that 390 runs. We'll look at how nice and tidy this is. Like I said, pretty much appears all stock underneath here. Nothing aftermarket or too outrageous. Just what you'd expect out of a nice driver quality 63 Ford Thunderbird. There you have it. Like I said, feel free to call us with any questions. 507-386-1726. We do consider trades. Financing is available, and we do ship all over the continental U.S. check out any of the still pictures on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com.